Hello guys, and today I'm making a tier list of every epic skin. I've made a tier list of every superhero skin, and now it's time to make uh, every epic skin tier list. Let's start. We have Amber de la Vega. Some people say that why would you buy it if you can buy Frost Queen Amber, but in my opinion, I think it's totally worth it. I would put it in S tier, but I'm trying not to be biased at all. So A tier. Crowbone, easily S tier. Kokorosa, A tier. Pirate Cold Skin, A tier. Coral Bell, A tier. Uh, actually, DJM's, I guess it's A tier. Dark Lord Spike, and some people may not agree, but I don't think it's that like super good. I mean, I like it a lot, but I mean, it's not like I don't think it's better than Crowbone. I think it's A tier. Dr. Edgar, A tier. How many A tiers this year? Mega Beetle B, A tier. Overlord Byron, B tier. I like this skin, but Byron is weak. Uh, Captain Carl, I think that's how it's called. Doesn't have too many effects. I mean, it does have effects. It just doesn't fit Carl, I think, that well. Coach Mike. He doesn't have the explosion effects, so C tier. Shadow Knight Jessie, C tier. Ultra Driller Jackie. She almost doesn't have any effects in battle. It's just like I think it's like she has a bit of effects, but C. Big Sail Barley, C tier. Not too many effects. Empress Bonnie, C tier. Again, I would not pay 149 gem or 5,000 bling for this skin. Like it's overpriced for me. I mean, I mean, if you're Bonnie main, then you should probably get it because there's no other skin for Bonnie with effects and animations. Only 229 gem skins in gold and silver. So, All Day Party Frank. He doesn't have too much effects, but I like how he looks in the animation. Yes, like this. Cupid Piper. Outdated. I don't like Line Friends, and the only skin I like from Line Friends is Leon Sally, but he's not on here. And I don't like the BT21 skins. They're pretty meh. Oh, it's not F tier, it's D tier because they do have effects, but they just look very weird. My favorite of them is probably this El Primo skin. And speaking about El Primo skins, we got El Primo skins. Yeah, this uh pink dragon. I don't like in dragon El Primo skins are kind of weird. I think B tier. They're good, but just they're weird. They don't fit El Primo, you know. Uh, uh, El Rey Primo. That's a really good skin for El Primo. El Tigro. I think probably the best skin for El Primo. Very good for the price. I mean, sadly, it's limited. Evil Gene. A tier, I think. Nutcracker Gale. A tier. I really like this skin. Okay, Gladiator clip. Um, I guess B tier. Not, I'm not the fan of this skin. It's alright. Golden Neko B. She's alright. I mean, you could buy a normal one, and I think the effects are not the golden one just has shoots golden cats. That's pretty much it. And normal one shoots not golden cats. That's it. Guard Rico, easy A tier. This skin is really good for the money. Probably one of the best Rico skins out there. Uh, this BB skin, I really like it, but I mean, I think if it's here. Horror's Bow. I don't think I should put it in S tier because it's. I mean, it's good, but it's. There are skins that are way cooler than this skin. I think here is good. Hot Rod Brock. No animation, just effects. I think top of B tier. Not Sleepy Sandy. It's what's his name? I forgot the name of the skin. Lantern Sandy. S tier. Has good walking animation, has good shooting effects, and good super. He's not better than a Crowbone though. Lion's Brock. Barely has effects. No, actually C tier. Barely has effects. And no, I mean don't. He just has this little animation that the free Brock skin has. The classic one, Lunar Sprout. It's a pretty good skin. I'd not say it's not my favorite skin. I'd say B tier. Monster Truck Meg. A tier skin. I I like it. Yeah. Misfortune Tara. I think it's the best skin for Tara. Probably it would fit here. Lunar Piper. I think. Sorry. I think it's an A tier skin. Yeah, that's a really good skin. Which Mortis? I have it, but I mean it's alright. It doesn't have any animation, but like it's not. But he has effects in battle. I think a bit of effects. I'll put it at the bottom of B tier. A lot of people hate him, but why would you? It's an okay skin. Roach Edgar. That's a really good one. I think it's top of A tier. Uh, Popcorn Rico. Pretty bad for the price. Like you you could buy a Firefly for 2,750 bling, and this skin's 5,000 bling, and it has no animations winning or losing. So C tier. Uh, PSG Mike. I think he's a bit higher than Coach Mike because he's better in my opinion. Red Nose Nita. I like this skin. I like it a lot, but it has like no effects. Like it has no animations, but it has really good effects in battle. Uh, Loaded Rico. That's a really good skin. I think it's a lot better than think I'd put it higher than Guard Rico because I just like it more. I think. Mecha Spike or Robo Spike. I think that's how it's called. He's pretty good. No animations, and he kinda no, he actually doesn't. Yeah, Rockabilly Mortis really bad for the price, but I bought it I think for 39 gems. So it's if you catch it on sale for 39 gems, I would say go for it. But for 149 gems, nah. He's better than Nightwish though. Rockabilly, I mean not this Rock or Rogue. Where is he? Oh, I think here is pretty good. Yeah, Mantis Rosa. It's a bit of weird of a skin. I think Coco Rosa is better than the skin because she has better shooting animations and she I think doesn't really have that big of super animations, but it looks cooler and I like it more. I don't know. Mantis is kind of weird. I don't like it that much. Let's put it in here. Royal Agent Colt. B tier and B tier, yeah. He's not as good as other skins. I think it's better than Mantis Rosa, but not better than Overlord Byron. Sally Nani. As I said, I don't like any of like Koya, uh, any like Line Friends and BT21 skins. I mean, I like the effects. Let's put it like then Bullming, then this skin. And this skin is the Ruffs one is absolutely the worst. I'll put it here, yeah. Serenade Poco. This skin is trash. Like, you literally have the trash Poco. I mean, why would you wanna buy Serenade if you have really a trash Poco? Me personally, my favorite Poco skin is Trash Poco. A lot of people say, I think most people say their favorite Poco skin is the one from Brawl Pass, from Sam's Brawl Pass. I think it's called. Wait, I forgot. It, I like it. I like the from Brawl Pass. It's my second favorite, but not from Colette's, the star one, but the better one. Yeah, this skin is pretty trash. For 149 gems, this I'd say if if I would rate it, how much for how much I would tell it that would be like for 30 gems, not 149. Mm-mm. Shiba Inu. No effects, but looks pretty cool. Slayer Griff. A lot of people say it's creepy and stuff. I don't think it's creepy at all. I just think it's not that worth it for 149 gems. But this year it will cost 79 gems, so that's probably a steal. So go for it. Uh, Space Ox Bull. I wouldn't say it's S tier, but I think it's like here. Spicy Mike, or yeah, I like this skin. I like it more. Actually, let's put. I like it I don't know if I think I like PSG Mike more. Coach Mike just doesn't fit the colors. Uh, Ghostbuster, wait, Squeakbuster, Gale. I actually like. I used to like Squeakbuster one more, but right now I like Nutcracker Gale more. Headless Riders too. Really good skin. Should I put it in this tier? Wait, I think yeah. I I will put Amber de la Vega in this tier, and Coco Rosa, and Orochi Edgar, and Space Oxbow. Yeah, I think that's good. Super Fan and Ems. I like this skin. I like it. Headless Riders 2 is S tier. Obviously, like, no question. Here. And El Tigro is S tier too. Uh, she's okay, I guess. I guess I would put her in here. I like her, I think, better than DJMs, but the effects speak for themselves. I mean, they're better in DJMs. Sway Master Barley. I think it's S tier. Really good skin for the money. And wait, it was 79 gems, or was it? No, I think it wasn't. Maybe it's gonna be this year, 79 gems. I don't know. But I think my favorite one is probably El Tigro. El Tigro is like really good. Uh, Tanuki Jesse. I like this skin. I like it a lot. I think it's like one of the best. I think it's one of the best, if not the best, Jesse skins. Tempest Taro. Right here. Tick Shuki, I think. Or Cookie. Something like that. Trash Poco. He's not trash, but it's his name. It's just his name, but actually it's S tier skin. Underworld Bow. I don't think he's better than Horus Bow. Actually, let's put the skin higher. It's A tier, I guess. Werewolf Leon. I mean, I guess you know where I'd put it. I have the skin. I really like it. Wait, is Coco Rosa? I don't know. Wait, do I like it better than? I don't know. Let's leave it like this for now. Witch Shelly, it's okay. It's a good skin, I guess. Franken Grom, really good skin. Probably the best Grom skin. Frost Green Amber, and here we go, Frost Green Amber. I don't know, but for the value, maybe it's better. I don't know. But I think I like. Wait, I like both of them. But I don't like this skin at all. But let's put it in C tier, I guess, because it has effects and animations. Cupcake Daryl. It's fine. Don't like it that much. Baiku Eve. That's a really good skin. That skin is awesome. Uh, Champion Gus or something like that. No, I think it's World Champion goes A tier, not S tier. Yeti Sam. I'm not sure how you guys feel, but comment down below what skin do you like better, Caesar Sam or Yeti Sam? I like both of them, but I want to buy one skin for Sam, and Caesar Sam is returning. I think this skin is good. Maybe like this. Sultan Carl. Really solid skin. I would say S tier. Tengu Mike. I don't like this skin very much. I know some people do. I guess it's A tier because of the effects. People say they're so good. Spirit Knight Frank. I think he's really good. I'd say he because I mean, who plays Frank? Kitsune Lola. Good skin, but I think Lawless is the best skin for Lola. This ball skin. I don't know the name. It's I think one of the best ball skins in my opinion. It's not S tier. This skin I actually don't like it, but as effects, and some people are gonna defend it and say that it's really good. But Crocodile Buster, that skin is amazing, man. Man, for bling, this skin is really good. I really like this skin. I think Yeti Sam. I mean, Buster is not that strong right now. Sam is like really strong. I know, like Yeti Sam, I think better. Banana Cold. I know it's weird, but he has really good animations and I mean effects. Haunted House 8-bit. A tier. I think is maybe even. I think no, actually, Bolt doesn't have that cool of effects. Let's put like this. Now wait, Dark Fairy Janet. It's a good skin for effects. Not like that amazing, but still. Now we got 3 skins that haven't come out yet, but they will, I think, pretty soon. Cause they will come out in August, sometime in August, and it's the start of August, you know. Cursed Pirate, uh, BB. I like how it looks, but I don't know. For right now, let's put them in top of A tier because I don't know the effects. I think they're pretty good. Actually, let's. I saw some of the thing in Brawl Talk, and I think that's good. We don't have any skins in F or Color Gems because I mean, technically none of these skins are F tier because they have effects and animations. Most of them. If we're not talking about Rockabilly Mortis or Line Dance Brock, almost no effects. Almost no effects. So here is my tier list. Be sure to buy these skins if you like them. don't get mad at me. It's personal opinion. That's how I feel about uh how good these skins are and which skins are the best. I can't rank the S tier skins because they're all really good and really I can't rank like how do I explain it? They're all really good. So pick what's your favorite skin and uh, I don't know. Should should I move Crowbone lower? Cause I mean we have Amber skins. We have Sultan Carl, Yeti Sam, Headless Rider Steve, um, El Tigro, the Morta skin, Leon, Sandy skin. I mean, I guess that's good. Oh wait, let's move one last skin. Mantis Rosa, A tier because we moved Coco Rosa. Okay, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Write down in the comments what do you want to see in my next videos, like suggestions. Like, should I rank all rare skins or legendary skins or mythic skins? We, we only have 3 mythic skins. Probably don't rank mythic skins because we only have 3. And legendary skins we have like 9 skins or like something like that. Or like uh, you can write like rank every Brawl Pass skin. I mean Born Bad Buzz is obviously the best for me personally. It's the best Brawl Pass skin. And Surfer Carl. I really like those skins, but sadly I don't have them. Okay. Anyways, thank you for watching. I guess y'all enjoyed this video. And the newer skins like the Pirate Surgeon, Pirate BB, and Chest Sunken Chest Griff, I think that's how it's called. Uh don't blame me that I ranked those wrong or something like that. I don't know, I haven't tested those skins. So maybe I will make a video if I test them and they will be really good or really bad for their money. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. You can screenshot the tier list and send it to your friends so they can buy these skins that are like in this tier. Like El Tigro, when he comes up in the shop, I think he will come up winter. It's a long time till winter because it's summer. Or like by Crowbone or Amber De La Vega or Frostgreen Amber, whatever. Bye bye.